Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA XR20 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes, and let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which is very similar to the previous one. It is *#07#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we can open SAR level, so here we can check the head and the body of our device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. It is *##225#*##. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best section to check the events because here they are grouped into particular sections. Let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostics. It is *##426#*##. And as I said, we are in the diagnostics, so here we can check the server, host port, time connected or signal level. After tapping on events, we can open some further details. We can also tap on the three dots icon and show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status again. And as you can see, here we've got much more info, just like the heartbeat, last ping or HB algorithm. Let me get back and let me show you the last code which will open the testing menu. It is *##4636###. And as I said, we are in the testing, so here we can check the phone info, usage statistics and Wi-Fi info. Let's begin with phone info. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here, you can check the information just like the email, the current network, data service, data network type. What's more, we can run ping test here, and here we've got the results. After tapping on the three dots icon, you can also view service dialing numbers or enable data connection. Let's get back and let's check usage statistics. Let's tap on it. And here we've got the list of all apps and actually the processes which are right now on this device. Right now they are sorted by usage time. So for example, you can check that we've been using the settings for almost 40 minutes. Of course, we can change the sorting type, just tap on it. And you can pick also the last time used or app name. So obviously, after picking the app name, for example, all of the apps and processes will be listed alphabetically. Let's get back and let's check the Wi-Fi info. So here we can check the API configuration or the status. Let me pick the status. Let's refresh the stats, and here we can check the network state, SSID or network ID. We can also run ping test here. So actually this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your NOKIA XR20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.